sharing with you all a recipe for a Saheena waffle. Now, waffles or anything waffle is one of the trending items right now in Trinidad, and I wanted to make my version of this for you all. So to make this, we're going to start off by putting some milk into a big bowl. Now I'm making this as a breakfast recipe. It's going to be more of a waffle based recipe, and it's going to contain eggs. To the milk, I'm going to go in with 2 eggs, and using your whisk, break those up. To the milk mixture, I'm going to go in with some green seasoning. Give this a mix, and now we're going to set this aside and work on our dry ingredients. Here I have flour. To the flour, I'm going to go in with some baking powder, some grind dal or split pea flour, and salt to taste. I'm going to go in with a little bit of roasted cumin or geera and mix. Okay, now to bring this together, we need our spinach or dasheen bush leaves. Now I'm using spinach leaves. If you can't find dasheen bush, you can use this, or you can use kale. I suggest boiling the kale or steaming the kale until it's very tender before using it. So I'm going to add this to the milk, and now I'm going to add in my flour mixture a little at a time and mix until it comes together. I'm just going to go in with a little bit of turmeric just to give this Saheena a little color. Now I'm going to go in with a drizzle of oil, or if you wanted to use butter for this, you can. And you just want to mix that in. Okay, now to make the waffles, and I have my heat setting set on low. You don't want it at medium. I think medium would be a little too hot. You want this to take its time and cook. Remember, we have grind dal in there, and we want that dal to really cook. So I'm gonna start by spraying a little bit of vegetable oil onto my griddle, both sides, just to make sure that it does not stick when I put in that mixture. Now I'm going to take a scoop of the mixture and scoop it onto the griddle. Close it down and allow it to cook for about 3 to 5 minutes. So guys, the first waffle is finished, and it smells like a Saheena. Honest to God, it does smell like a Saheena. I can smell that dal in there. Now I'm going to remove this, and I'm going to continue cooking the rest of my waffles, and I'll see you guys back when I'm done.